It cannot fly so far, darling. A1 too, darling. Yeah, Mimi? All right. It's very stable. You get up with this one of the massage chair. Right, the beige color, look at that, beautiful. Full leather interior. And then 2 layers of the cushions, 1 and 2. So you see that's a roller. Yeah, up to the very top, up to 6'4", up to 320 pounds. For your eyelashes, your clients, that would be great. Or facials, that would be great to have a cushion supporting the back too. And if you don't need it or how to clean it, you can zip it off. Yeah, 2 layers. Built-in speakers, connected by Bluetooth, listen to the music or watch movie. Keep your iPhone here, watch movie. 360-degree rotations. All right, and the tablet too. So that's really cool with the silver metallic details. So basically outside it's all leather finish, like this one, leather, and piano finish. All right, airbags wise, shoulder airbags, arm airbag. That's a great one. Back support airbags. So supporting your back and also giving you the warming up system too. It is so exciting. You're gonna enjoy it, darling. They're gonna fall asleep. Any of your client has sleeping issues, they're gonna love that. Because in the morning, first thing I jump into the office, I have a 30-minute sessions. All right, and airbags for the leg and the feet too. Pairs of roller under the feet to do the massage as well. And yep, wireless charger. As you see, your client can charge your phones. No need to buy any portable power bank chargers anymore. USB cable extra ones to do the There we go. And then the joystick that we showed you earlier. So power on using the button. Start it straightforward. Now that we're gonna start it with the shoulder position detections. All right. Now, what they're gonna do? Detect your body height. Depends on whether you're taller. Yeah. And also shoulder neck. So if you are tallest, obviously your shoulder neck need to go upper. You see that it's going up. That's the maximum point. Like me, yeah. For me, I only need it by here. I'm 5'4", as I remember. Now, after you've done the shoulder neck adjustment, those 2 pairs of roller, 1 pair bigger one, smaller pair underneath, they will automatically drop to the president health function. Everything will be in the medium one. Airbag, I will quickly drop down to 1. Yeah, at the airbag level 2 will be too intense. And then automatic mode, 12 of them. President health, that's the first one. You can try the queen slimming, that will be the lady one. Shoulder neck, and then they will just doing the upper body. Yeah, shoulder neck. Waistband care around this waistband area. Enjoying sleeping mode, that's a wonderful one. That if you wanted to stay still for the gravity level, you use the sleeping mode. All right, and then Thai massage will giving you the swinging and also a little bit stretchy for the leg. You have to keep the airbags on, otherwise don't feel swinging and stretchy. And also the Chinese one, ancient, gentle, deep tissue will release exercise recovery. You can try all of them. Yeah, the airbags indicator also give you leg, feet, arms, shoulders, and also the back. Heating functions. Later on, I'm going to show you the heating function. Yeah, and also the second column, that's all the technique that you can use. That's the SL track, yeah, fully fitting your body curve. So it's not like a straight 90 degree. Your body curve is like a S shape, yeah. So it's going to be the SL track from the shoulder neck now down to the shoulder back, slowly down, further down to the side too, yeah. The seat can be moved, taken off as a cleaning if you want to clean, and so also you can change into different technique. Yeah, kneading would be like this, manually kneading. And that's 2 pairs of roller. Remember the 1 pair and the smaller pair, 2 pairs of them together. And level 1, 2, up to the 3. All right. The higher the number, the more intense. And the beating would be like a drum, like this beating. And then you can change in that too, to the level 3, intense. And knocking. So different technique. This one will be the gentle one, darling. So if you're new to the massage chair or your client new to the massage chair, they cannot take the heavy pressure or like a other technique, then you can advise her to start it for the finger press. Level 1. Very gentle, this one. So gentle.
Press and then
Yeah.
one.
And also knee tapping will be the one that double technique, kneading and tapping together. So it's kneading and also tapping. That will be the good one for shoulder neck. Yeah, I love this one. Yeah, that you see my hands there, squishing the neck and the shoulder. That's a perfect one. And also knee pounding, another technique. All right, and the Rabgasha, gentle, level 1. The last one will be the one that you choose, the narrow or wider for the roller. Yeah, that's a narrow. Okay, medium. Now up to here, and then the wider to the wider. All right, if your clients wanted a wider massage, you can choose that one. All right, and let's go for the finger press, and then medium. Yeah, you can do partially fixed point. When you do the fixed point, you see, fixed point, you can use the arrow up or down. When you lay down, you can choose the area you wanted to do the massage down. The arrow will be down. Say like this. All right, keep it on. Third column, sensory massage. Coming to the airbags, yeah? Airbags, airbag controller. Again, shoulder airbag. So due to your own habits, like me, I don't want airbag for shoulders. Then I always switch off. And also hand airbags, arm airbags, yeah, arm airbags, I switch off. And the leg airbags, that would be a lovely one to squeeze your leg muscles. Underneath as a heating function, this part. And also the back support area, also heating function. All right, so the lumbar airbags will be the back. Now we going to the heating function. Rollers, foot rollers. Switch off.
Rollers here.
Yep. Hi, Dr. Matt. And then switch on the rollers, foot rollers. Now you see the rollers, level 1, gentle one. If your client feel like the roller is too itchy for the feet, and then you can totally switch off. Or go to the sensory massage. Higher, off.
Let me know if you need anything.
Yeah, heating function, hot compass. Either this one or that, triple S. Whoops, switch on, yeah. Warming up the back. And also the leg, too. This one, we have an English menu, very easy to use, darling. And also, timing for the massage, yeah, very important. Timing, yeah, we are on the 20 minutes counting down now, right? Timing, 30 minutes. 10 minutes. Every time you press, they will changing. Yeah, that will be a circulation 10, 20, 30 minutes. All right? And back to those, zero gravity. There's a few ways to do that. Yeah, zero gravity, either using the on, or you can use that button. On. Rising up the chair. That's it. Slowly rising up. Here we go. Extra safe, darling. We have the report for the FDA and quality control as well, darlings. They're super safe. If your clients or your team members worry about that, we can show you the report in a minute. Okay? Yeah. Let's see our report. Yeah. Here we go. And also write down. Now we have the zero gravity on. Timing backwards, up or down. Don't necessarily need that. You just need to this little button. It is. You are very welcome, darling. Look at this one. This one's a very great thing. Is that forward clock, rising up. Yeah, that's the maximum angle already. Forward clock. Then you can drive the massage chair back up. See. And then down. It's like swinging like a baby basket. You see. And also one more thing. You rise up the leg. Yeah, this part is a good thing. Rising up the leg. Yeah, that. Let me wait until the positions stay. All right. And rising up, leg down. Leg down. And that would be nicer to go the leg up too. All right. With the airbag, you feel stretches. And leg up. Da, da, da. Hello, Lena. All the way.
I am here.
Leg up. That's a really cool one. So are you at home or in your office now? In your studio? Right down. And again, rising up. Yep.
Let me know if you need anything.
I love this one. And also, the wireless charger, one of the greatest things. And you can watch movie. Yeah, you can use your iPhones, watch a movie, and then connect it by the Bluetooth, enjoying too. Lights off, everything. Home, I've been shopping for about 1 month. Really? Finally, you got a good one. Good price too, darling. Good price, darling. And also, massage controller, voice assistant. That's our voice assistant called Zena. That's all the commands, all right? And listed behind the tablet too. That's all the commands too, all right? When you receive the massage chair, you connected your phones with the music, Bluetooth connection. Joystick for the flashing the screen for your video, the other one. The joystick's going to be cool, darling. You can try it on after you receive that. Yeah. And yeah, that's pretty much everything. It's very easy to use. Setting. Yeah, voice assistant. If you think that the voice function is too loud, then you switch off. All right. Ambient lights, English menus. Hit the pause button when you wanted to do the lashes extension for your client. Bam. All right. And the heating still on.
And the zero gravity.
Yeah, on the gravity levels. That's a wonderful experience. Hopefully, yeah, when you receive that, darling, if you don't know any part of the, for the functions, it has to be the one that you personally receive the massage chair. You get to know the massage chair. You will have questions. You are always welcome to come back to ask me, darling. Okay? And remember, any problems, always contact us. No problem, darling. You're gonna love it. The beautiful color. It's a soft beige tones. With those atmosphere light, it's going to be perfect. You just get the best one. And also, it will come with the carpets too. As I said, a galaxy carpet. Hi, Mohammed. Okay, rising of the chair. That's it. There we go. It will level up my surfaces. That absolutely, yeah, that's true. Your clients probably wanted to buy the massage chair too.
Yeah.
They do, yeah. So you can actually after the first month you can take more like pressures on it. Because hey, really just got one from us as well for the black one. For me, 1 month ago I can't take like the pressure one, and now I can stay here for 4 hours. Yeah, starting from 10 minutes. 10 minutes first. Yeah, gentle one. Yeah, if you think that it's too like aggressive, it's no. You're gonna choose the finger press level 1. Airbags also level 1. You're gonna love it. All right. If you worry about it's too intensive, start it from 10 minutes, and you can also take a break. Yeah, take a break. Just hit the pause button and start it one more time. All right. Roller for the feet. If you don't want it, you can stop it for the roller. You can try. Yep. Hello, Zena.
Hello, I am here.
Foot roller off.
Okay, turning off.
That's it. Yeah, you can foot rollers off.
Yeah, the one you're doing the turning off the roller.
Eyelashes extension.
You can call Zena to do all the things for you.
Yeah. But it's easy. You have the button on this side. I can't help myself. When I was doing the eyelashes extensions, I still wanted to open my eyes and check out my phones. So when they take the sticker on, I'll be like, 1 second, I'm checking. Can't leave without my phones all the time.
How much is that?
Yeah?
Eyelash.
Eyelash extension. It's expensive in USA. How much was that? Like upper and the lower. Mine was 几多钱? Let me calculate. Mine's not expensive because it's just within my societies. That lady 218除以7 $31 唔貴啊 2 hours honestly 2 hours $31 is I think they deserve more money honestly. It's hard to find a good technique. It is. It should be. It should be worth it more because you spend the time and your technicians. It's a difference. Everyone's